Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can integrate your Firebase project with OneSignal so that you can send push notifications and you can send in-app notifications and a lot. For this video I made a fresh project, and in this project I will first integrate the Firebase, then I will integrate OneSignal, then I will show you how you can send push notifications and in-app notifications from OneSignal application. So before integrating the Firebase, I will first run the application to make sure that everything is all right. Let me check the build. So you can see that our build is successful, and now we can integrate Firebase with our application. So to integrate Firebase, just click on this hamburger main menu and go to tools, click on Firebase. Now to work with Firebase notifications, we need to integrate Firebase cloud messaging and in-app messaging in your application. So I'll click on Firebase cloud messaging and I'll click on the connect to Firebase button, and it will redirect to your browser, and you need to make a new project inside your Firebase. So now here I will create a new project for the application. Now enter your project name and click on continue, and again click on continue. Now scroll down and click on this I accept the Google Analytics terms and click on create project, and you can see that our project is ready. Now click on continue button, and here I need to click on this connect, and you can see that our Android Studio and the Android Studio project and the Firebase Android app is connected properly. Now go back to your Android Studio, and now you need to click on this add FCM to your app, and it will add the necessary dependencies in your Gradle, in your build.gradle, and click on accept changes. Now wait for the build, and you can see that our Gradle build is successful. I'll go back and I'll click on this in-app messaging, and I'll integrate this in my application. I'll click on this add Firebase in-app messaging SDK to your app and click on apply changes. So the Gradle sync can take some time, so you can just wait. Now our project is ready. The in-app notification and the cloud messaging is properly added in our application. Now I'll integrate the OneSignal service in our application. Open your browser again, and now search here for OneSignal and click on login your account. You can log in with your Gmail or Facebook or GitHub. I'll use Gmail for this project. So after successfully signing in, I'll choose this free plan for now. I'll click on this get started now. Now you need to fill your details here. Click on continue. Now you need to enter your company or organization name, and if you don't have a website, you can click on I don't have a website. Now you need to add your app or website name. So I'll go back to the Firebase. So this is our application name, so I'll add the same application name here, and I'll click on create, and it will create our application. Now if you want to set up your messaging channel, you need to click on here, and I'll first click on the push notification. So I need to send the notification from my Android device, so I'll click on Google Android and I'll click on continue. Here you need to upload your service account JSON file. How to do this? Just go back to your Firebase console and click on this project overview settings and click on project settings. You need to go to this cloud messaging option. You can see this Firebase cloud messaging API is enabled. If it is already enabled, you can go to the service accounts. So the admin SDK configuration snippet is node.js, and you need to click on this generate new private key, and you need to download this key, and after the downloading this key you need to upload it inside here. Choose the file. After uploading this file, just click on save and continue. I'll select native Android because this project is for Android. I'll click on here, and now you need to click on save and continue. And this is our application ID. You need to save this ID. So I'll use Notepad first. We need this ID to send notification to our application. Now we can click on done. So our application is connected with OneSignal and Firebase. But before we use this push and in-app notification, we need to integrate the dependency for OneSignal application. So we'll go to the documentation page, and you need to click on Google Android native, and you will find the dependency here. So you can see this is the dependency of our OneSignal, and you need to copy this dependency. Go to your Android Studio, click on Gradle scripts. Now you need to go to your app level build.gradle. Now inside this you need to add this dependency, paste it here, remove the single quote, use parenthesis, and you need to use this dependency as a string, and it will end with a parenthesis. So I'll click on sync now, it will just add OneSignal in our Android application. So OneSignal is successfully added in our project. Now we need to go back to our Android activity. So inside our main activity, we need to add just one line of code and our application will be able to receive notification. So inside the on create, we need to use OneSignal.init with context, and this line we need to add. So I'll click on tab and it will autocomplete. Now inside here we need to pass the app ID. So your app ID is unique. So if you are in a real life project, you need to secure this app ID. Our application is ready. So I'll click on the run app again and wait for the build. Now we'll see if our application is running properly or not, and our application is running properly. Now inside the messages there is push and in-app notification. So first I will click on push notification and I will click on this new push button. Now we can choose this type of templates. So for this tutorial I will just select the first one. I will click on select. You can modify these notifications and you can choose the device preview from here. So this is Google Android, so it will look like this. In the next video I will show you how you can add this title and messages from your application, and you can select any images from here. You can do your own customization, and this small icon is basically your application icon. You can modify in your Android Studio, but I'll just push this default notification. So I will click on preview and send, and now I need to click on this send message, and you are ready to receive your notification. And you can see that we got the notification in our notification panel. Now we need to test the in-app notification. So I'll click on this in-app notification, and here I need to click on this new in-app. Again, I can choose any templates from here. So I'll just click on a default template like this, and I'll click on select, and you can definitely modify this according to your choice. I'll not modify anything. I'll directly push notification from here, make message live, and we're ready to go. So if we open our application again, and you can see that we got our message here. So you can see that OneSignal is able to send notification. In the next video I will show you how you can send notification to a targeted device. So I have a chat application and the Firebase notification is not working there, so I'll show you how you can send automated chat notification. And if you find this video useful, then click on this like button and you can subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching this video.